What's up everybody, it's your old pal David and welcome to my kitchen. Well, I've completely lost track of the days. Could be Monday, could be Tuesday, could be Wednesday, could be Thursday, April 42nd. I don't fucking know anymore. I feel like I'm getting a pretty good glimpse into what living like an animal is like. It's like that. That's what it's like. So I finally ran out of dog food the other day and I had to venture out into the scary, hostile world. The sun blinded me as soon as I got outside. Oh my god! It's so bright! Made it to the grocery store and boy, what a weird experience that was. Everybody walking around, looking at each other, all shifty-eyed, treating each other as if we were all just a bunch of lepers. I felt like the hunchback of Notre Dame. Notre Dame. Notre Dame. I got my dog food, I took it up to the counter, and then realized that I actually had to interact with somebody. Felt like an alien. Yes, hello fellow human. I'd like purchase of 1 dog food, please. Gleep glop glorp, enjoy very much your day. I've gotten like too good at social distancing. I feel like I'm gonna have to practice a little bit before returning to society. Hi. Hi. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you doing? Hey, oh hey, what's up? Yes. Carol totally killed her husband. Also, Dylan Passage? Low-key kinda hot? Anyway, I'm trying to make the food that I have lying around last me as long as I can. So today we're gonna take some basic breakfast ingredients and upgrade them a little bit. Eggs in a basket. Poke a couple holes in some breads. Crack a few eggies in there, and then add some sliced tomato, avocado, and sriracha mayo. It's basic made bitchin', and forget that I ever said that. Anyway, let's get to cooking. First we'll add a pan to the stove and set it to medium-low heat, and then I'll add a little bit of coconut oil in there. You can use butter or different oil if you want, but I prefer coconut, because I pretty much use it for everything. It's good for such things as swishing around in your mouth, good for oral hygiene, rubbing it all up on your face, good for your skin. Rub it in some door hinges to get rid of that pesky squeak. And stamps? Use it for stamps? Anyway, using a cup or your hands if you're a cave dweller, we're going to poke some holes into our pieces of bread, a little bit offset so we can put toppings off to the side. Add these to your preheated pan and don't forget the holes. These make nice little side toasties for dipping into yolk. Now we'll crack an egg apiece into each of our bread holes, making sure to keep the yolk intact. Once the whites have cooked through, we can go ahead and flip everything over. Let it toast for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now as a tasty little side dip, just throw together equal parts sriracha and mayonnaise. Then we'll top it off with some tomatoes and avocados. But I didn't really have any avocados, so here are some pieces of paper that are colored green just for visual effect. Top it off with some salt. And there you have it, eggs in a basket. A basic breakfast made bitchin', god damn it! Hope everybody's doing good, staying safe, staying healthy, and as always, happy eating.